In this video, we're going to show you how to clean the leftover buildup of crumbs trapped in your toaster. Make sure your toaster is unplugged and cool before you begin. First, flip your toaster upside down and gently shake to dislodge and loosen some crumbs. Next, use a small dry paint brush to help clean the interior of the toaster. Alternatively, you can also use a toothbrush by bending the head in boiled water to create an angled brush which can help easily get to those hard-to-reach places. Start with the bottom and areas away from the heating wires. Then turn your toaster sideways and gently work your brush along the sides between the heating wires. Take caution when cleaning the sides as to avoid damaging the heating features inside. Once you've brushed through all the nooks and crannies, stand upright and brush all the crumbs into the crumb tray. Remove the tray and give it a quick rinse with water and dish soap to remove any dried-on bits and scraps. Make sure the tray is completely dry before putting back in place. Use a little dish soap and water to wipe down the exterior, followed by another wipe down with a damp towel. Take caution when wiping around the buttons and be sure to dry any wet spots before use. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.